Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a popular and versatile fruit that is often used as a vegetable in culinary applications. They are not only delicious but also offer several health benefits. Here's some information about tomatoes. Nutritional profile. Tomatoes are low in calories and a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and skin health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. They provide a decent amount of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Tomatoes are known for their high content of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been associated with various health benefits. Health benefits. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant found in tomatoes that has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and age-related eye conditions. Tomatoes contain a variety of other antioxidants and phytonutrients that contribute to their overall health benefits. The fiber in tomatoes may help support digestive health and reduce the risk of constipation. Some studies suggest that consuming tomatoes may have a protective effect on the skin against sun damage. Ways to enjoy tomatoes. Fresh in salads, sliced or diced tomatoes are a classic addition to salads, providing freshness and flavor. Pasta sauces. Tomatoes are a key ingredient in many pasta sauces, from marinara to bolognese. Salsas. Tomatoes are often used in fresh salsas, which are great for dipping or as a condiment. Soups. Tomato soup is a comforting and flavorful option. Grilled or roasted. Grilling or roasting tomatoes intensifies their flavor and sweetness. Tomatoes can be used in a variety of dishes, from sandwiches and wraps to omelets and frittatas. Keep in mind that cooking tomatoes can actually enhance the bioavailability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb this beneficial compound. Tomatoes are a healthy and delicious addition to many dishes. Whether fresh, cooked, or processed into products like tomato sauce and canned tomatoes, they can be a valuable part of a balanced diet.